Okay, so as a follow-on to the discussion, Kevin asked, do I pull the hand back here or do I pull it down here? Most shorty in your schools pull to the hip. The reason why we use it on the hip is we want to emphasize the use of the hip. What's going on? If it's connected at the hip, it's easy to focus and learn on that coming in. It's a little less intuitive to connect this to the hip. It can be done, obviously, but it doesn't. But one of the interesting things is if I'm trying to do a pulling hand trapping technique and I'm using this hand and I come to my hip, this tends to miss what's going on. Where if I come up here, now this tends to come in and now I've got this kind of a technique which works pretty well. So a lot of times people that will pull their hand back to this chamber are thinking about interesting things that they can do with the hand that if it's down here tends not to work so well. So just from my own observation, people that tend to have this kind of a return tend to think about these kinds of techniques with the hikite, the pulling hand. And people that come down here tend to think about it as a way of tuning the body to use the whole body for power generation. So that's another thing to think about. Thank you.